indices. But let's talk about one particular topic. Gujarat Gas has cut prices with effect 1st April 2023 in the industrial segment. Prices have been cut to around 45.91 per SCM versus 49.5 earlier. Shailesh Vasnani, who is the Vice President of Morbi Ceramic Association, and they use the natural gas which is supplied by the state in Gujarat, joins in to discuss this. Hi, sir. Welcome to the show. If you could just lay down what the impact would be for Morbi Ceramic Association, considering the cut which has come through.
Good afternoon. Right now, the cut of Gujarat Gas is really good enough for us, because the industry is also facing a very big problem in our market also. The market has gone down by 8 to 10%. But yes, compared to the Gujarat gas price of 46 rupees as you said, even the propane gases come cheaper, because the price of the propane is 60 rupees per kg. But when we compare the calorific value of propane gas with Gujarat gas, propane gas calorific value is 11,100 and the Gujarat gas calorific value is 8,300. So the comparative price of propane is still 45 rupees. So it is one of the way, either it is at par or little cheaper than Gujarat gas. But in the next month, May month pricing of propane gas is forecasted to be 52 rupees per kg. So the targeted price of Gujarat gas must be 42 to 43 to be competitive with the propane gas. So if this doesn't go down, the consumption of the propane will increase and the consumption of the Gujarat gas will go down once again.
Okay, so right now, yes, Mr. Vasnani, that's what I wanted to understand. Because globally, Saudi Aramco has also cut some propane prices. Has this already been reflected in the local pricing? And in anticipation of that, are you bulking up more on propane versus, say, natural gas from Gujarat Gas? What is the current mix between propane and gas?
Right now, let me tell you about some figures of the Morbi consumption. The total consumption of the Morbi is 70 lakhs meter cube per day. From this 70 lakhs meter cube per day, today 43 lakhs meter cube is been consumed by Gujarat Gas and the rest 25 lakhs is been consumed by propane. What happens in propane is propane depends upon the import pricing, right? So the import pricing of the next month is already been declared by the company. So we have been informed that it is going to be 6 to 7 rupees lesser in the next month for the propane. So comparatively, if Gujarat Gas doesn't get down by 4 to 5 rupees, it won't be competitive in the next month. And currently the scenario is 60-40. 60% we are using Gujarat Gas and 40% is the consumption of propane in the total industry.
Okay. Can you just give us a sense in terms of what demand is anyway looking like at this point in time, and what might the utilization levels be in your plants on an average?
Right now, the total Morbi's installed capacity is 82 lakhs meter cube per day. From that installed capacity, current use is 70 lakhs. And from this 70 lakhs, 43 lakhs is Gujarat Gas. But if the Gujarat Gas prices are competitive, it can reach up to 100% level. In the previous years, it was almost 95 to 100% use of Gujarat Gas from the total sector.
Mr. Vasnani, what my colleague meant to ask is, what are the demand trends right now generally from your consumers? You did say that demand is lower by 8 to 10%. Can you split it up for us in the domestic and export markets?
These are what I'm talking is about the domestic market. It has gone down by 8 to 10%. When we talk about the global market, it is 5 to 7% higher than the previous year. So the export market is a little growing, it's not declining. The domestic market stays a little pressure in this year. And the total market size of our tiles in India is about 48,000 crores per year.
Okay. Has there been any impact on business now that China has started coming back fully in terms of production?
No. Currently, it's a good news for India. Ceramic industry of Morbi is exporting to more than 85 countries. And in most of the countries, we are beating against Chinese goods. So right now, our exports are higher than China exports. And luckily, not many countries like Europe and USA has deposited anti-dumping duty against Chinese tiles. So in that case, we have a favorable condition on those countries.
Okay. Mr. Vasnani, I also wanted to understand, with the tariff change that has come by in GAIL's pipelines, is that also making Gujarat Gas change pricing in any manner? Because that is something which was supposed to be reducing tariffs, or at least reducing costs for Gujarat Gas. Has that come by? Are you in conversation with Gujarat Gas in any way to tell them that, okay, propane prices are going down, we need a cut from Gujarat Gas as well?
Yeah, we already had the discussion with Gujarat Gas because they have a local office in Morbi, and we are also in discussion with the MD of Gujarat Gas also. So we have a regular conversation with them. But what happens is the pricing policies depend upon the Gujarat government, because government is the major stakeholder of this Gujarat Gas company. So they don't declare in advance before a month or so. So whenever there is a cut, it comes within a notice of a single day. But yes, we are also waiting for a little price cut, and we are hopeful it will be little down compared to the propane.
Oh, okay. Can you give us, what exactly the price differential could be going forward? How much of a price cut are you probably seeking at this point?
For May month, the price of the propane what they are seeking us is 7 to 8 rupees down per kg. So compared to that price, we are seeking 4 to 5 rupees per meter cube price cut down in Gujarat Gas also. So it will be at par.
Okay.
So we can use more of the Gujarat Gas.
Okay, all right. So it totally depends on what the pricing is. It has been very dynamic in the last couple of years, especially because of the way spot LNG prices have shot up and what we have seen in the global gas markets as well. But demand, according to you, is better in export markets, but has come down a little bit in the domestic markets. Mr. Vasnani, it was a pleasure speaking with you. Thank you so much for joining us and telling us all about what's happening on ground as far as the tile industry is concerned and the ceramic industry is concerned as well. Thanks a lot for joining us today. So that's the word coming in from Morbi Association. We'll slip into a short break now and get you more on the markets and stock-specific action on the other side. Stay tuned.